So hey guys, good morning. So just now I came back from tuition and now I'm going to have meal and after that I'll do study. So yesterday I decided that I'll wake up early in the morning, but due to I was very sleepy since some days and that's why I can't. I was not able to wake up and my my sleep had opened at 5, so that's why I did not study properly. So okay, so without making any excuse, now I'm going to have first meal and then I'll go for the study. So let's go. So guys, some time ago I had meal and after that again I waste my time. I waste my 2 hours, and after I realize I did I sit for study, but I'm very sleepy and my mind says that just sleep for 1 to 2 hours and then complete study. But it's been 2 days like I'm doing like that, so it's not complete properly and my mind making me full, so that's why I'll not sleep now today. So it's 2, so my lecture has incomplete, so I will complete that. Only 1 hours of lecture will be there and then I'll be sleep or I'll take nap, or I want to complete all the tasks before going to the tuition, and when I came back from tuition I want to complete lectures. Also guys, today from today there will start a new lecture, new lessons. So from today properly I want to complete my studies, and I don't want to make excuses like whatever I'm making excuse I will tell. So okay, now I'm going to complete my studies. So let's go. So guys, some time ago I was studying, but at that time I was not able to study properly, and I was able, but I can't study properly. In my mind, the study work is not bringing my mind. So okay, now I'm going to take one nap, and after that, if possible, I'll complete my lecture. Or also, guys, I want to complete my oral task and then I will go to the tuition. So okay, so let's I just came back from tuition and now first of all I'm going to complete my task. So uh, in on day I decided to complete my task before going to tuition, but due to in my home there are so many guests and that's why I can't complete my oral task and studies properly, and I just have time. There were nobody in surrounded by me. So okay, so first of all I'm going to do meditation, and after that I have so many tasks where I'm going to complete. Also guys, yesterday's video I did not complete, so yesterday's video and today's video I have to complete. That is the one of the most important task for me. And also guys, some days ago I told about and I discuss about my eye blinking. When I speaking at that time, every time I blink my eyes and not confidently I speak properly. So okay, this thing I want to improve my from my side. So okay, also guys, today at the time of day at that time I just to complete my half an hour of lecture where I want to complete full lecture. So um, uh, with skipping of the lecture I complete, but not properly I have completed numerical thing. I just completing my theoretical part and not I'm completing numerical, because when I go for the numerical at that time it takes so much time, and that's why I did not complete properly. So okay, so guys, it can be excused, but along that my second thing is that I'm going tuition, and that thing will take so many time, and that's why I'm very tired, and that I feel very tired, and that's why I did not complete my study properly. So I think mm, some of my tasks I want to remove from my side, tuition, and also guys, I'm leaving one thing that I'm not going college, and that thing also save my time, but I'm not use that time in my studies. So it can be excused that tuition, but okay, so whatever it is, so now I'm going to complete on my task first and then I'll go for the study. Also guys, uh, I can speak properly, but now I have flow for the speaking, but sometime when in my mind there is no words for speaking, at that time I feel very hesitant, and that's why I can't speak properly. And now I'm very fluent for speaking, and whatever in my mind I can speak, and just I'm talking about myself that how will I improve, and what I speak properly. So okay, this thing is sometime made mistake. So okay, so I think also guys, in sometime after, I don't know, I will I will have time or not. So that's why I will continue my blog for 2 to 5 minutes, 3 minutes to 4 minutes. I think yes, 2 to 3 minutes I have completed. So what are remaining things I will complete by after meditation. So okay, after freshen up, I'll go for the meditation, and then I'll to complete vocabulary. So guys, since 2 days I did not complete vocabulary, so this thing will break my consistency. Like one day I didn't complete my study or anything, then next day will not proper day for proper thinking, like myself, that I want to do my best. So okay, what I'm speaking I don't know. So okay, so now I'm going for the my task. So okay, and I don't want to break my consistency. So okay, so let's go. Now I'm going to meditation. So I have completed my meditation. So now I'm going to do my vocabulary. So let's go. Guys, I just had meal. So now uh, some time ago I was attending my live lecture, but at that time I was very sleepy, and I just took a one nap, but then I can't control my nap. So okay, so now I'm uploading the vlog, and after that I'll sleep. So okay guys, so that's it for the vlog. With another one. Bye bye.